Hello friends, we are sure you enjoyed the lesson about writing captions. Being creative is being able to think in a different way and presenting it in an out of the box type. Out of the box could be a creative caption too. Something creative is something such that breaks expectations or is so unique that you cannot forget it. Dialogues are one such type of creative expressions that stay in your mind for a long time. How are dialogues different from captions? The word die, which means to, clearly specifies the difference. Dialogues are conversations. There are at least two participants in a dialogue. Naturally, it is a play of action and reaction. Let us understand with an example. All of you know the advertisement of the detergent where you hear "Daag achhe hain," that is, stains are good, as a reaction to a soiled shirt. Normally, stains are something that would be problematic, but when we hear that stains are good, it immediately catches our attention. The difference, the breaking of expectations, is the key. When you hear such dialogues, they are etched in your mind forever. These quotations are remembered by everyone. Another dialogue I am sure you all know is from the film Bahubali, where the character Shivagami responds to any matter with her famous quote, "Vachan hi shasan hai," that is, "My word is ultimate." The power in the words reflects Shivagami's role of power and her personality. Dialogues help you to understand her personality. The famous character written by William Shakespeare, Hamlet, is also known for his famous quote, "To be or not to be." These words by Hamlet in any dialogue or any situation show that Hamlet is always on the haunts of dilemma. He is a person who cannot take decisions firmly. He is always confused between choices. We are sure that all of these examples have given you some insight about how an effective dialogue should be written. Let us paraphrase it in points. First, it should be crisp. Second, it should be appropriate to the personality of the character who is uttering that line. Third, it should say common things in an uncommon way. Fourth, it should be written in the form of action and reaction. Fifth, it should be different either by breaking expectations or by using effective words or by stating facts at the right time. Sixth, it should carry the story. Whenever you read a play or watch a movie, dialogues are of prime importance in attracting your attention and retaining your interest. We are sure you have read Harry Potter books. If not, start reading immediately. Creativity meets you there in a different form. Besides, some of the quotes and dialogues in Harry Potter are iconic. Look at this clipping. You will be able to see how good quotes are woven into dialogues. We are sending the link of the scene separately on the group. Dialogues are conversations between two people. But you must have also heard of the word monologue or soliloquy. These are one-way dialogues where the character talks to himself aloud. It is meant for the audience but is enacted as self-talk. William Shakespeare has written some of the famous soliloquies. As an assignment, look up for one soliloquy and read it aloud. Another assignment for this lesson is write a dialogue to animate this picture. Look at the picture, be creative, and guess what the girl and boy can say to each other. Keep all the points in mind and write a witty, crisp, interesting dialogue of 2 to 4 lines for the characters in the picture. For example, The girl could be talking about the watermelon that the boy is eating, or maybe she is boasting that she has an ice cream. You can imagine several things and be creative and write a dialogue. That's all for today. Thank you.